teacher Mary from Sun International Academy. For today's episode, we will be talking about simple past, regular, and irregular verbs. Are you ready? Let's go! First, let's talk about past tense. Okay, when we say past tense, we're talking about things happened in the past. Like yesterday, last night, last Tuesday, and next, let's talk about verbs. So what are verbs? Verbs are action verbs. So for example, walk, talk, study, and drink. Okay, but there are many more verbs. Now let's go to regular verbs. So what are regular verbs? When we say regular verbs, we're talking about verbs that we will add D, ED, or IED. So when are we going to use D? So for the words that we will add D, so these are verbs that ends with D. For example, the verb dance. So always remember dance ends with letter E, so we will just add D. So dance becomes danced. Again, danced. Next, let's go to ED. When are we going to add ED? So these are verbs that ends with T or D. We will add ED for some words like walk, talk. So walk becomes walked, talk becomes talked. And there are a lot of words that we can add ED. Now let's go to IED. So when are we going to add IED? So these verbs ends with Y. For example, study, carry. Study, so we change Y to I and add ED. Study becomes studied. Carry, so again change Y to I and add ED. Carry becomes carried. Okay, I just hope you got it. Let's go to irregular verbs. When we say irregular verbs, these are words that changes its spelling. For example, fight. So the simple past of fight is fought. That's F-O-U-G-H-T, fought. Next we have teach. The simple past of teach is taught. That's T-A-U-G-H-T, taught. And we have also write. Simple past of write is wrote. That's W-R-O-T-E. And there are a lot more of simple past irregular verbs. Okay, so you can see here, there are a lot. So I hope you got it. So that's all for today. Thank you so much.